Hi guys, today, yeah, as you see, yesterday was my birthday. So today I'm gonna unbox with you my friend's birthday gift, and we're starting with Julia. Here it goes. It's from Julia. I love Julia's gift so much, and she got me this T-shirt. She got me this T-shirt. It's from Zara. She got me this T-shirt, and it's just so pretty. Look at it. It's like Sweet Force, and from the back, Sweet Force too. It's like super cool. She got me this T-shirt, and let's see what else. Just put it aside. She got me a lot of things, and she got me this bag. Oh, that's from Minnie Sue, guys. I love Minnie Sue. Look at that. This bag is like an open bag. It's like I really wanted this bag. See, super cool. I really love these bags, and I wished I had one. It's like super cool. And she got me this perfume from Minnie Sue. Minnie Sue is Sakura. Little late. Oh, I like it. I wished I got this perfume from Minnie Sue. It's just so hard to open. Open it from here, and it's like unboxing. ASMR. Here's some ASMR. Okay, and moment of truth. That's the one that I wanted. Look at that. Like that. Oh my god. And it smells exactly like I wanted. That smells super cool. Just put it here, box, and other one. That's super cool. And this perfume is like small gifts. And she got me this Tabasco, but these are the gifts, the real gifts. But I really like this perfume and this Tabasco. She got me a Tabasco, a Pau Tabasco. She got me a Pau Tabasco. Oh, look at that. A Pau Tabasco. Super squishy, look. Fun and sticky. And so Auntie wrote me a paper note. Let's see what she wrote. It's like that. Now let's open it. Oh, it's a little cup, but it's okay. I still like this note. And let's read what it is. You are the best happy friend. Birthday ever. To Alia from Julia. I love you so much. So cute and kind. Love her. It's like, it was like that. Okay. Now let's put everything in the bag. Again, the perfumes, a lot of things. It's like put it in. Oh my god. And this tap is squishy. Bye. Tapa. Just like put it over here. And now the other gift. Let me close my eye and choose. Oh, this gift is from Farah. Oh, look at that. It's like a Kuromi bag, like dancing from Farah. Oh, she got me this one. Alexi thing, like it comes with these small balls, and you have to match this thing. You have to do with these balls the same. But you can do whatever you want. You don't have to do the same. Nice. And this is like, okay. She got me this one. We got here. Got my two things. And this mug. I love mugs, guys, if you know. Like a perfect mug. This one came with this one. Let me just take it. Oh my god. This doesn't fit. Oh my god. Just wrap it back and put this thing back. And now for the other gift. Let me close this one. Close my eyes and choose. Oh my god, I love Mawadda. Her gifts are so nice. I love her. Oh, look at that. It's a box. Has some teddy bear's face. It's not and it doesn't have eyes or mouth, and it has the crown and some hearts. Oh, let's read the message. Happy birthday to you, the sweetest Tanya. Look at that from Mawadda here. Oh, she's so cute. And now the moment of truth. She got me this keychain, Kuromi keychain. Oh, right here. She got me this perfume and hand cream. Look, she got me this perfume and hand cream. This perfume and this hand cream. Let me just open it. Oh, this is the hand cream. Look at. It doesn't have a smell, but it's okay. I'm still gonna use it. Super cool. I love hand creams, if you know. And the perfume. Just get the perfume out. With the perfume, something like that. It smells super cool. That's like the best perfume I've ever smelled. Anyways, all of the gifts are nice. I put the hand cream in. And yep, I just close it back and put here. And she got me a lip balm. It's a Kuromi lip balm. Everything's Kuromi here. And she got me this Lego set. It's like, I love these 3D Legos. I would really love them. Oh, and this one is like, it's like in dark. It's like you just do this one, and it lights up. Look at that. Oh, it's so cool. I really like that. Oh, and the last thing is this Kuromi mini lipstick palette. Long lasting. I love long lasting. Let's open it. Oh, look at the colors. Let me just show you the colors. This is the first one. This is dark color. I don't really. No, that's so cool. No, that color's really nice. Actually, no, it's not bad. And that next is this red color. Look, it's nice. It's not bad. And this one. Okay, let's just put it here. Oh, not bad. And the last one is this one. Put it right here. Oh, I like that. No, they're so cool. No, I like them. Look at them. And if you mix them together, they make the perfect shade. This shade. I really love lipsticks. I use them a lot. And just this keychain over here. It's like everything again. The perfume set. Let's put it here. And the lip balm here. And this Lego set over here. And just close it up. And for the next gift, this is over here. Oh my god. Super hot here. And now let's close the eyes and choose. Oh, the Kuromi one. Today is all the Kuromi, but the seamless flowers, but it's okay. Just let me just bring it. This is Kuromi bag. And just like that's so hot. Okay, and this t-shirt, this Stitch t-shirt. I don't know everything is Stitch or Kuromi. This one looks super cool. So where is this? From Max. And it comes with this short. Super cool. I like it. Put it here and here. And now let's close the shoes. For who's that? The white one. Wait, no, for that. No. It's from Lamar. I love Lamar. Let's see what she got me. This one. Let's see what she got me. She got me a bag. Mickey Mouse bag. You are the sweetest. Why is everybody saying sweet now? Like which gift? Julia's gift and Mawadda's. Like, oh, you're sweet too. Look at that. Mickey Mouse baggie. I like that. For sure, I like that. For sure. I love that. Is there a cord? No. Now, let's see for the last two. Let me just mix them so I be fair. Mix them first. Mix them. I got choose. I mix them now. Now. Oh, bananas. Yasmin is the last. Sorry, Yasmin, but it's okay. I'm still gonna see her gift. Bananas. Melody. Move that balloon. I don't know why she put a balloon here. Never mind. No way! She got me this plushie. Cinema World plushie. Oh! This is a squishy over here. And this is a plushie. Oh my god! It's so fluffy. My rabbit was softer. Okay, so then put it here. Yep. And the last is me. Okay, Lefties. Oh, this is from Lefties. I love Lefties. That very good brand. Oh, what is that pink thing? Oh, it's loaded. Oh, look at that. Like a pants. Is this funky? Funky. It's like going for a mall or something. I like that. I wear funky things a lot. Like a lot. Look at that. And even now I'm wearing a funky thing. Oh my god. No, I love that. Super cute and sunset and mirror. I'd love to see you from Lefties. 9 till 10. I love it. Just split. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed my birthday. I hope you enjoyed my birthday yesterday. My besties. Love you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like, please.